Hi guys, this is Megan from StayAtHomeSaver. Today I'm really excited to share with y'all an unboxing video of my PinchMe box that I just got in the mail. I'm super excited about these boxes every time they arrive. It's always an event to open up to see what I get. Because there's such a delay and when you sign up for the samples and when you actually get them, I always end up forgetting what's coming in the mail. So it's always a new surprise. So today we're gonna go through and I'm gonna open it up with you. So I opened up the side just because I'm doing this one-handed, but I have not looked inside, so we are doing this together. Okay. So here's the awesome PinchMe box. I'll put the link for signing up for our PinchMe box down in the description. They are really awesome. It's a great company that sends you a bunch of samples from a bunch of different companies. That way you could try the different products that you might not usually try. And they just ask that, hey, you just share this box on social media and tell what you think. Give some honest reviews about the products you try, things like that. They just want to get the word out about a bunch of cool new products. This is the third PinchMe box that I've gotten so far. So I'm super excited. So let's take a look. Okay. So looks like first item is a wine voucher for $100. I think I've gotten these in some of the past videos I've gotten. So anyone who needs that, if you need it, feel free to get that code and that password. I do not need it. We are not a wine drinking family. And here I have the HelloFresh, a $50 gift card for that. So that's really nice. These I've also seen in some of the other boxes, so that seems to be a regular staple. So that's pretty awesome. Let's see, what else am I feeling in here? What is this? We'll get to that in a minute, since it looks like it requires some additional unwrapping. Okay, here we have some free shave foam from Walgreens. So one Chic Extreme shave foam up to the $1.99. So that is awesome. Sometimes they do give you coupons instead of sending the stuff in the mail. Sometimes it's, if you have a refrigerated product or something that's kind of hard to ship, they do give you a coupon to go pick it up instead. So this is super exciting. I always love coupons for free items. That's a lot of fun to go and do that. So I will be posting that later when I go and pick that up. And here we have some ketchup. Some ketchup packets with a blend of veggies. So if your kids do not necessarily like to have veggies, this is a good way to put their veggies on their fries for them. So that's pretty awesome. Oh, and here we have a recipe for what you can do with that ketchup. So zucchini fries, that's a good idea. And there is the information on it. So you can pick that up at Amazon or Walgreens. So yay, that'll be fun to try. I bet that's really good. I bet it doesn't even taste like veggies. And then here we have some conditioning lip serum from Blistex. It's a pretty big sample, so this must be the full size. Winter is coming and I always need some lip gloss, chapstick. So this is really awesome. So lip serum, I apologize. So this will be really nice because my lips are always so chapped in the winter. And that is the end of the box. So here's the last thing. It's a Hallmark card, the Just Because Minis. I love these. If you've been following my blog for a while, these are the cards that you usually can get on Fridays for free. This is the last month for them, but they are really, really nice. It's really great to be able to give these cards to someone you love just because. So I definitely recommend stopping by Hallmark. They don't cost much. They are pretty cheap, 99 cents or $1.99, which is really cheap for a card, but cards always mean so much to the recipient. So I definitely recommend stopping by Hallmark and getting some. So let's see what's in here. It's a paper hug. Oh, that's adorable. See inside for surprises. Oh, wow. There's a lot of cards in here. That is fantastic. Oh, I love these things. So here, save $2 when you purchase one Hallmark card. So that's really good. Note the values. $2 and above for the cards. So that's really nice. Let's put that there. We've got some little cards. So here's a little card here. Never forget how great you can be. So proud of you. Let's see. You have a pizza my heart. Thought you could use a hedgehog. Oh, that is so cute. And then we have see, all the little envelopes, they're kind of stuck, so give me a minute. There we go. So that is super nice from Hallmark. That is super cute. I really like that bear. That's just a cute bear. So here are all my great things from PinchMe. Let me organize them so you can see them all. So, oh, and this too. So here you go. This is everything I got in my last PinchMe box. And again, if you haven't signed up for it, do sign up. It doesn't take a credit card or anything. They really just want you to try these new products and hope to make you a loyal customer. It's a really great company. Again, this is my third PinchMe box that I've gotten, so I definitely recommend it. It's easy. It's just every sample Tuesday, just sign up, and a couple months later, you get your free samples. So if you have any questions or anything, if you have any comments, or if you got different stuff in your PinchMe box, feel free to leave a comment below. And please like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe. And if you want to click the bell, if you want to get notifications, you can do that too. And if you don't already, please follow my blog, StayAtHomeSaver.com. I try to post a lot about how to get free samples, how to coupon, how to get free items at stores, how to get good deals on things, tips and tricks for saving money, and for how to make money on the side. It's really just a blog to just help you get by on less, and to just be able to make your money go a lot further than it used to be able to. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope y'all all have a great day.